Fun with Cookie Fractions, Part 2. Welcome. We're going to have fun with fractions today. What is a fraction? A fraction tells you the number of parts out of a whole. The parts are all equal. What do the numbers of a fraction mean? A fraction is made up of two numbers, the numerator and the denominator. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts are decorated or colored in. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells the total number of parts. When all the pieces are colored in or decorated, it is called a whole. Two equal pieces are called halves. Each are the same and equal. The shape of the object does not matter as long as it has two equal halves. 12 equal pieces are called twelfths. Let's practice. What's the fraction for this cookie pan? 5/12. There are 12 total pieces. 5 of them have cookies. 5/12. What is the fraction for this cookie? 2/5. There are 5 equal pieces. 2 still have cookies in them. What is the fraction for this cookie? 'There are 3 equal pieces, and all 3 of them are there. So we would say 3/3 or 1 whole. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? 2/3. There are 2 equal parts with cookies. There are 3 equal parts total. 2 out of the 3 parts have cookies. 2/3. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? 1/12. There are 12 equal pieces, but only one of those equal pieces has a cookie. What is the fraction for this cookie? 4/4 or 1 whole. What is the fraction for this cookie pan? 1/4. There are 4 equal pieces, but only one of those pieces has cookies on them. 1/4. What is the fraction for this cookie? 2/4. There are 4 equal pieces. 2 of them have cookies. 2 out of 4, or 2/4. We can also say that 1/2 of the pan has cookies. What's the fraction for this cookie? 1/6. There are 6 equal pieces, but only 1 there. 1 out of 6 have cookies. 1/6. What is the fraction for this cookie? Five pieces with cookies out of a total of 6 pieces. 5/6. Great job. Now let's see what you remember. Some fractions will appear on the screen. Guess the fraction. Three-fifths. 3 out of 5 pieces are there. 3/5. 1/3. 1 out of the 3 pieces are there. 2/4. 2 out of 4 pieces total are there. 2/3. 2 of the pieces are there out of 3 total. 2/3. Four-six. 4 pieces have cookies out of the 6 equal pieces total. 1/2. 1 out of the 2 equal pieces are there. 3/3. 3 of the total equal pieces are 3. They're all there, so we would say 3/3 or 1 whole. Thank you for playing our game.